What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on recess activity, Recess Pirban posted on Instagram their dump photos for this month of August. Recess Pirban showed to everyone the behind the scene of those beautiful photos happenings on Mike and Tabby's wedding. Recess Pirban captioned it, a wedding big dump. And as we can see, Nadek and Rosaya was very happy and emotional about the wedding. Yesterday, the NY couple got their interviews after the photo shoot from the Singapore magazine. Process Pirban shared how she rates Nadek as a man, and as you can see, nothing has changed. It's 10 over 10. Process Pirban also shared that she wants Nadek to be her side and makes time for her after work. She also said that she loves the deck very much. Singapore magazine interview means a lot to the NY couple, especially to Urasaya, as she gives comments for her fiancé and guessing she was so very happy while she is on the interview. And the fans was so happy commented on the post, waiting for their upcoming wedding.